All right, so I have a guy who's a firefighter, and he's about my height, but like huge, big, huge guy with giant muscles. And he came in, he goes, nobody can move my thoracics. I dare ya. And, I'll give you one try. If you can't do it, I'm on to the next chiro. So I said, I'm sure I can do it. So I took your Anteater, and I laid him down, and I just rocked him. His name's Rock. Rocked his thoracics. He's been coming in ever since because I'm the only one that can move him with the Anteater. It's awesome. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Well worth it.